Welcome to One More Guru. Today, I'll show you how to send an Amazon gift card to someone in another country. First, search for Amazon along with the country where your recipient lives, followed by gift card. For example, if you're sending one to Germany, search for Amazon Germany gift cards. Make sure you select the correct country website, such as Amazon Germany, so the gift card works in that region. Once you're on the right site, choose the type of gift card you want to send. Select e-gift cards, then pick the design you prefer. You can choose the occasion, set the amount, for example, 25 euros, or enter a custom value. Next, decide how the gift card will be delivered, by email or text message. If you choose email, enter the recipient's email address. You can also add a personal gift message and include your name. Then, select the delivery date, which is perfect if you're scheduling it for a birthday or special event. After that, click Buy Now. Complete the checkout process and you're all set. I hope this helps. If it did, leave a like and subscribe to One More Guru. I'll see you in the next video.